Welcome to Slack Appiworks for Zoho CRM. Slack Appiworks for Zoho CRM is a Zoho CRM extension that integrates Zoho CRM and Slack to keep you and your team updated on the various deals and easily collaborate by providing them with an open channel for communication. Before proceeding with the automation types, let us quickly install our extension from Zoho Marketplace. If you have already installed, you can skip this part of the video. Go to Zoho Marketplace and search for Slack Appiworks in the search bar as shown here. You will be navigated to the extension page and now proceed to install. Accept all permission to proceed the installation procedure as shown here. Click on Confirm and wait for the extension to be installed. Once the installation is completed, now we can go to the Slack Appiworks tab by clicking on the three dots present as shown here. Click on Start Automating button. It will redirect you to the Zoho CRM connection setup page. Provide a name for your Zoho connection and click on Authorize with Zoho CRM button. Choose your organization and after that click on Accept button to create a connection with Zoho CRM. As you can see that the connection is created successfully. In order to create a new service, click on the Create New Service button. Provide a name to your service and click on Next. Now, choose a Zoho CRM module. In this case, let us choose Leads. We can also specify certain conditions in this step and the service will get executed only if it meets the stated condition. You can either choose from an existing connection, or you can create a new one by clicking on the plus icon present at the right end of the connection field. In order to create a new connection, click on Authorize with Slack. Once the connection is successfully established, choose a channel ID where you would like to send the channel message. After the channel ID is chosen, we can either send a direct message or we can add a block to attach a graphics with our message. Let's take a look at how we can add a block here. Now you can configure the block as is shown here. Once the block is configured, click on Next button to go to the final step. In the final step, you can enable or disable the service configuration based upon your need. The first switch is enabled for automatic export of selected Zoho CRM module upon creation or updation, and the second switch is for manual export of the selected leads. Finally, let's save the service. Now, let's go to Leads and then create a new lead to see whether we automatically share content in Slack channel. Once the lead is created, let's go to our Slack channel. Here we can see that we are notified in Slack channel as we had configured earlier upon creation of a new lead. Now let us try to run the service manually by selecting specific leads from the list of leads available in Zoho CRM. Now click on the Slack Appiworks button as shown. Once the Appiworks configuration is loaded, you can execute the required service from the available list of services. On successful execution of service, let's go back to our Slack channel and check whether the selected lead is shared over there. Here we can find that the lead has been shared in our Slack channel as was done previously. Now let us create a new service, and we will see one more example where we will configure direct message in our Slack channel without adding block. In our case, only those deals whose stage is closed won is going to get shared in our Slack channel. Here we are choosing our last connection. Now configure the message to be sent to Slack as is shown here. Click on Next button and finally save the service. Now let us go to Deals and update the stage of a deal to Closed Won, as was set by us in the service configuration, and see whether we get notified in our Slack channel. Once the deal is saved, let's check whether it is shared in our Slack channel or not. Here we can see that we have been notified with the recent deal as per configuration. Hope you enjoyed the intelligent integration and hyper-automation capability of Appiworks on Zoho CRM. Thanks for watching.